Okay, children, coming to exponents. Exponents level 2 sums will do, children. Small sums only will tell. Exponents level 2 sums. First question. Okay, first question is there like this, children. All of you see here. 23 plus 2 square whole to the power of 2 by 5 plus 140 minus 29 whole to the power of 1 by 2 whole square. In all the question. Okay, children, this is not 23 and okay, 23 not no problem, children. 23 only. Okay, children, 23 here. 2 square at the pillar, 2 square is how much?
4, sir.
4 whole to the power of 2 by 5 plus 140
by
minus
5.
140 minus 29 how much?
111.
111.
21. 121 by 1 by 2.
Yeah, 111.
111. Sure.
Sir. Sir.
140 minus 29 is 111.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then this should be 19 children. It won't come if not. Okay, no problem. This is you're getting as 120. Okay, then this will change into 19. If not, you can't do the question. If not, you can't do the question. That's why. Okay, so this is 3 children. I'm sorry, this I gave wrong, but this they only gave wrong. Children, this is 19 only. This cannot, if not, you will not get. Can anyone say 23 plus 4 how much, children?
27.
2 by 3 plus, this is 11 square whole to the power of 1 by 2
1 by 2.
whole square, children. Okay, what is 27, children? Anyone?
Sir, 3
3
cube.
cube.
2 by 3
2
plus
cube.
this gone 11 whole square, children. This also gone. So 3 square is how much, children? 3 square
9.
9 plus 11 whole square, that is 20 square, that is 400.
20.
That is 400, children. Like this you will get, children. Okay, so next one. Okay, children, I hope you understood. Please copy, children. No one is sitting idle. Second question, children. Second question. 256 to the power of 0.16 plus into 256 into whole to the power of 0.09. Yes, children? When base starts saying what we can do, children?
Ours can be added.
Powers can be added. 0.16 plus 0.09. So 256, 0.16 plus 0.09, 0.25, children. 0.25. So 256, 0.25, what we can write, children? 25 by?
25 by 10.
by 10.
25 by 100. That is 1 by 4, children. So 256 whole to the power of 1 by 4. 256 is who's to the power of 4, children? 256 is 4 to the power of 4, 1 by 4.
4 to the power 4.
4 cancel, so answer is 4, children. 4 cancel, so answer is 4. Next question. Please copy, children. No one is sitting idle. Please copy. You have to practice the sums and you have to send to me, children. Children, they said that 10 to the power of y is 25. 10 to the power of y is 25. Oh, sorry, 10 to the power of 2y. 10 to the power of 2y is 25. Okay. Then is asking what is the value of 10 to the power of minus y? This is the question. What is the value? What is the value of 10 to the power of minus y? Okay, children. 10 to the power of 2y. Children, 10 to the power of y whole square is equal to 25. Okay, children. If the square comes here, 10 to the power of y is equal to root of 25. 10 to the power of y is equal to 5, children. 10 to the power of y is equal to 5. Now they are asking what is the value of 10 to the power of minus y. Children, 10 to the power of minus y. 10 to the power of minus y means what is 10 to the power of minus y means, children? 1 by 10 to the power.
1 by
1 by 10 to the power of y.
10 by.
Okay, and 10 to the power of y, how much you got, children? 5. So 1 by 5 means 0.2 is the answer. Like this you should.
Sir, 5 to the power of -1 also we can do.
Yeah, you can write 5 to the power of -1. You can write 5 to the power of -1, or the best answer in the whole number is 0.2. Okay, children, like that you will get. Okay, each sum you have to do 2 times and you have to send to me as homework, children. Third sum, 1, 2, 3. Third sum, 3 sums over. Fourth sum, children. Okay. 9 to the power of x plus 2 is equal to 240 plus 9 to the power of x. 9 to the power of x plus 2 is equal to 240 plus 9 to the power of x. Okay, then what is the value of x? This is the question. What is the value of x? Okay, children, this is very nice sum, children. Please listen carefully. So, children, what I will do, this I will take, see, children, this I will take here, all of you see here, 9 to the power of x minus 9 to the power of x plus 2 plus 240 is equal to 0. Children, I took this here, children. 9 to the power of x plus 2, I took here, children. Right? So, 9 to the power of x minus 9 to the power of x into 9 to the power of 2 plus 240 is equal to 0. 9 to the power of x is equal to, children, can I write a, children? Can I write a?
Yes, sir.
If I write a this much, children, if I write this as a, okay, a minus 9 nines are 81, children. 9 nines are 81. 81 a plus 240 is equal to 0. Try to understand, children. This is minus 80a plus 240 is equal to 0, children. This I will bring here. So 240 is equal to 80a, children. So a is equal to 240 by 80. How much is 240 by 80, children? 3. 8 3s are 24, children. 8 3s are 24. So, children, see, children, 9 to the power of x is equal to 3. 9 to the power of x is equal to 0. So 9 to the power of x is 3. What we can write, 9 to the power of x is what we can write, children?
3 to the power of 2x.
3.
3 to the power of 2x is equal to 3 to the power of 1. When base are same, powers can be compared. 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2, like this. X is equal to 1 by 2. Please keep copying, children. Don't waste time and do 2 times and send to me as homework, children. Okay, like this here. Next, fifth question. Fifth question. Children, he's saying if x square is equal to 2, then find x cube. Lahari, can you tell how to do this? Lahari, if x square is equal to 2, find x cube. Can you tell how to do this? X square is equal to 2 means x is equal to root 2.
Root 2, sir.
Now, what is Rahari? What is the value of x cube, Amma?
Cube is equal to
Root 2 whole cube is what now? Yeah, root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 2 root 2 is the answer. Very good. 2 root 2 is the answer. Like this you have to do. Very easy sum, children. This is okay. Next one. Please see here, children. Next sum. Please do these sums each 2 times and send to me as homework, children. This one times I'm saying it. Okay. So x by x to the power of 1.5 is equal to 8x to the power of minus 1. 8x to the power of 1. Then what is the value of x? What is the value of x? Srihita, can you tell me how to do this sum? Srihita, can you tell how to do this sum?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
X.
This I will take
Sir,
up.
x 1 point is equals to 8x to the minus 5. X minus 0.5 is equals to 8x minus 1.
Take x down.
X minus 0.5 by x minus 1 is equals to 8.
This you bring up.
X minus 1.5 0.5 is equal to 8.
X 0.5 is equal to 8. Children, can anyone say what is meant by 0.5?
5 by 10, sir.
5 by 10, very good. X to the power of 5 by 10 is equal to 8. X to the power of 1 by 2 is equal to 8. 1 by 2 is root x. Root x is equal to 8. If you bring this here, what happens, children? If you bring this here, what happens, children? Root
Square,
becomes
sir.
square. X is equal to 8 square. Root, if it comes here, it becomes square. So x is equal to 64. X is equal to 64. Very easy sum, children. Only you have to do properly calculations, children. That's it. Okay. Please do this sums, children, and send to me as homework. 7th question. Very easy sums and doing, children, because you have to get acquaintance first. That's it. So, children, question is g is equal to t to the power of 2 by 3 plus 4t minus 1 by 2. This is the question. Okay. If t is equal to 64, what is the value of g? Okay. Yashasvi, can you tell how to do this?
Yes, sir. So g is equals to 64 to the power 2 by 3 plus 4 into 64 to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2.
Okay.
So g is 4 to the power 4 cubes, sir. Plus 4 into 8 square minus to the power 1 minus 1 by 2.
Okay.
So
No,
G
mute
is
your audio, so much disturbance is there, sorry. Okay, children, sorry, no, so much disturbance is there. 4 square is 16 plus 4 by 8 we can write. 16 plus 4 by 8 means 1 by 2, 1 by 2 means 0.5 children. 4 by 8 means 1 by 2, 1 by 2 means 0.5, 16.5 is the answer. 16 point, very easy sum children. Directly you can substitute, that's it, nothing else will be there. Okay, next, Vikram, are you there, Vikram? Tanmay is there, Tanmay?
Yes, sir.
Tell me this question. 4 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 24. Find the value of 2x whole to the power of x. This what we can write? 4x minus
4x minus 4 into x, 4x into 4 to the power of minus 1 equals to 24.
Okay. In this, what is common in this both? What
Sir, it is
common?
24 or 2 to the power of 4, sir?
24. Yes, no? In this both, what is common? What to the power of x is common? Instead of this 1, minus 4 minus 1
Minus
is
4 to the power of minus 1 equals to 24. 4x into 1 minus 1 by 4 equals to 24. 4x into 4 LCM 4 minus 1 into 24.
3 by 4. Okay. 3 8s are 24. 8 4s are how much, Amma?
32.
32.
4x equals to 32.
32. Now what you should do? Now what you should do? Anybody? Power of 5. 2 to the power of 5. 32 means 2. 2 to the power of 2x is equal to 2 to the power
2
of
to the
5.
power of 5. 2 to the power 2x equals to 5. X equals to 5 by.
Now substitute here. Now substitute x is equal to here. Here.
2 into 5 by 2 whole to the power of 5 by 2.
Whole to the power of 5 by 2. Okay, 2 into 5 by 2. Whole to the power of 5 by 2. How much? 2 to gone.
5 whole to the power of 5 by 2.
5 to the power of 5 by 2. What is the answer? 5 to the power of 5 by 2, children. Okay, seriously speaking, this you can write if you want. This you further simplify if you want. See here, children. How to simplify? I will show you. Still you want to simplify this. 5 to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of 5, children. Okay?
Sir, root 5 also, whole to the power of 5.
Root 5 whole to the power of 5, children. Root 5 whole to the power of 5. Okay, so root 5 whole to the power of 5 means root 5 into root 5 into root 5 into root 5 into root 5. Root 5 to root 5? 5. Root 5 to root 5? 5.
5,
The
sir.
25 root 5.
25 root 5.
25 root 5 is the answer. Like this you have to do. Very, very nice sums, children. You will not come across these sums in your textbook for practice also. In their textbook for exponents, they give only 10 examples. That too very easy examples they have given. You have to practice like this, children, because again, like this topic will not come ever, children, for you. Next, 256. Vivek, you tell this one. 256
Yes, sir.
whole to the power of minus 4 okay, minus 4, 1 second, minus 4 to the power of 1 second, minus 3 by 2, minus 4 to the power of minus 3 by 2. This is the question. You're able to understand what is the question?
Yes, sir.
Minus 4 minus 3 by 2. Can you tell how to do this?
Yes, sir. Sir, that is to the power of minus 3 by 2, sir.
Minus 4 to the power of minus 3 we're talking.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. 4 to the power of 4, sir. 256.
Okay.
4 to the power of 2 square, sir.
2 square.
2 square into minus 3 by 2. So 2 to cancel. Yes, sir. 256 to the power of minus 6 plus 6. Minus 2 to the power of minus 3, sir.
Minus 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
How you can write 256?
256 to the power of minus 1 by 23, sir. 2 to the power of 3, sir. Sorry. 256 whole to the power of minus 1 by 8, sir.
2 to the power of 3 is 1 by 8. Okay.
1 by 8, yes, sir.
256 is 2 to the power of 8.
2 to the power of 8 into minus 1 by 8, sir. 8 cancels, so 2 to the power of minus 5 is got 1 by 2. is equal to 0.5.
Thank you. Very good. Okay. Next one, children. Last question. I'm doing 10 questions, children, so that you will not get much burden on you. These 10 questions you practice 2 times. All these questions will be there for your next Sunday exam, children. Listen carefully. Now only I'm saying practice now only, so that in last hour you need not to work hard. Okay. So see here. 3 to the power of 2x minus 8 by 225 is equal to 5 cubed by 5x. 5 cubed by 5x. Okay, children. So 3 to the power of 2x minus 8 by 225. Children, 225, what we can write, children? 225. Please see here. 5 4 is a 5 5 is a 5 9 is a.
Say 15 square.
No. 8 means in prime factorization means 5 square into 3 square we will write. No? 5 cube by 5 to the power of x. Children, 5 I will take here, 3 I will take here, children. So 3 to the power of 2x minus 8. If this plus 2 comes up, what happens, children? Minus 2.
Minus.
This 2, 5 to the power of 2 is going up. 5 to the power of 3 into 5 to the power of 2 into 5 to the power of minus x. If this is coming up, minus x will come. Try to understand, children. If this is coming up, 5 to the power of x will come. So children, this we can write as so 3 to the power of 2x minus 10 is equal to 5 to the power of 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 minus x. But bases are not same. Okay, children. So question is, then what is x they are asking? Oh, 225 only, no, children. So okay. So children, what we will do? We'll do in different method, children. I have not seen the question properly. Children, all x's onto one side, all x's onto one side, all normal numbers on one side. This you bring here, children. This you take here. 3 to the power of 2x minus 8 into 5 to the power of x is equal to 5 cube. Children, 225, what you got, children? 225, what you got? 225, what you got? No one is saying.
So 5 square into 3 square.
5 square into
3 square.
3 square.
3 to the power of 2x minus 8 into 5 to the power of x is equal to 5 to the power of 5 into 3 to the power of 2. So children, if you want to find x, either 3 you compare or x you compare. X is equal to 5 for 5 children. For this, x is equal to 5. For this both, anyone? For this both? 2x minus 8 is equal to 2. This comes here. 2x is equal to 10. X is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
You do this both also you are getting 5. You do this
Yes, sir.
also you are getting 5. Anyways you are getting 5. So 10 questions I told children all are level 2 sums and beautiful sums. Children practice 2 times and tell to, show to me as homework.